Where is my sword? Well, I'm no He-Man either. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है धीरेन्द्र और आप देख रहे हैं कॉमिक्स एनिमल। और आज हम लोग आ पहुँचे हैं दिल्ली कॉमिक कॉन 2025 में, जहाँ पर क्रिएटिव लोग अपने क्रेज़ी फैन से मुलाकात करते हैं, रूबरू होते हैं और कॉमिक्स कॉस्प्ले और पॉप कल्चर के जो बाकी चीज़ें हैं उन सब का एक जगह आके समावेश होता है। तो हाँ, आज की कोशिश हमारी सिंपल रहेगी दोस्तों। हम लोग इस पूरे वातावरण को कैप्चर करने की कोशिश करेंगे। हम लोग कॉमिक बुक राइटर्स, आर्टिस्ट, पब्लिशर्स, कॉस्प्लेयर्स और जो कलेक्टर्स हैं सभी से बात करेंगे, सभी से मिलेंगे और आप तक कोशिश करेंगे कि इस पूरे फुल कॉमिक कॉन का एक फ्लेवर आप तक पहुंचाने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो चलिए दोस्तों, अब इस पॉप कल्चर सफारी की शुरुआत करते हैं कॉमिक्स एनिमल के अंदाज में। कम विद मी। तो दोस्तों, जैसा कि मैंने आपको कहा कि आज हमारी कोशिश यही रहेगी कि इस दिल्ली कॉमिक कॉन की जो मैडनेस है उसको काफ़ी हद तक हम कैप्चर कर सकें आपके लिए। और ये कैप्चर हम कैसे करेंगे? हमें इसके लिए मिलना पड़ेगा कुछ उन ऐसे लोगों से जो कॉमिक्स बनाते हैं, कॉमिक्स से प्यार करते हैं और कॉमिक्स को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। तो देखिए, अभी हम आ गए डायमंड कॉमिक्स के बूथ पे, जहाँ पे चाचा चौधरी और साबू हमेशा की तरह हाईलाइट हैं। दे हैव बीन द फ्लैग बीरर ऑफ इंडियन कॉमिक्स इंडस्ट्री फॉर सच ए लॉन्ग टाइम। आइए मिलते हैं सारांश से। ये नेक्स्ट पीढ़ी है और आई थिंक प्रांत साहब की थर्ड जनरेशन ग्रैंडसन होंगे। तो प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा आप हमें बताएंगे कि मतलब आपने क्या कुछ डिस्प्ले पे लगाया है।
Firstly, I would like to welcome you to Prans, the home of Indian comics. Flagship कैरेक्टर चाचा चौधरी जो सब लोग जानते हैं। हम इस बार कलेक्टर सेट लेके आए हैं।
अच्छा।
सुपर फैंस के लिए।
हाँ।
जिसमें you'll have ओरिजिनल प्राण कॉमिक्स क्रिएटेड बाय कार्टूनिस्ट प्राण। उनका पूरा सेट है। कलेक्टिबल्स हैं नए जैसे कि आप देखे राखा, चाचा चौधरी, पिंकी, साबू। इसमें आपको नए डिज़ाइंस के मग मिलेंगे इस बार। सो वी हैव वर्कड ऑन दिस वेरी हार्ड दिस टाइम, क्योंकि हमारी पिछली कॉमिक कॉन से लोगों का चाह थी कि आप एक कुछ बड़ी चीज़ लेके आओ उनके लिए।
नहीं, पिछले कॉमिक कॉन के मुकाबले में देख रहा हूँ काफ़ी ज़्यादा चीज़, नोवेल्टीज में आपने काफ़ी थोड़ा एक्सपेरिमेंट भी किया है
जी। और ये हमारे बेस्ट सेलिंग रहे हैं एक्चुअली। ये
अच्छा।
लोग सिंगल कॉमिक से आके कलेक्टर्स बॉक्स लेना पसंद कर रहे हैं।
तो ये कलेक्टर्स बॉक्स में मतलब कितनी कॉमिक्स का सेट है?
सो you'll get 15 का पूरा पैक एक।
अच्छा।
इसमें अलग अलग टाइटल्स हैं सारी।
मतलब ये ऑर्डर वाइज नहीं है? मतलब
नहीं ऑर्डर वाइज
पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर,
सब अलग अलग है। सो you'll get all the collectibles here।
नाइस है।
ऑफ ऑल दी फेमस कैरेक्टर्स। इसमें अभी जो फैंस की डिमांड थी वो इन्हीं कैरेक्टर्स की थी। अब हम अगले सेट बॉक्स में रमन और बिल्लू को भी लेके आ रहे हैं।
क्या बात है।
और इसमें एक जो सबसे बड़ी कोलैबोरेशन है वो है, ये हमारा एक नया मिनी कॉमिक है, साइबर धमाका, जो फैंस को अवेयर भी कर रही है। इसमें थोड़ा सा नया स्टाइल भी है, बट कार्टूनिस्ट प्राण का फ्लेवर है पूरा, अगर आप देखेंगे तो धमाका सिंह। और ये कि आज की डेट में किस तरीके से जो साइबर क्राइम्स हो रहे हैं सबसे ज़्यादा, तो अवेयरनेस उस टाइम पे भी 1970s में जो चीज़ें थी, चाचा चौधरी आके झट से सॉल्व करते थे। सेम स्टोरी टेलिंग आज के ज़माने में,
नए ज़माने में लोगों को अगर
नई प्रॉब्लम्स,
हाँ, उन्हीं के ज़माने की प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में बात करनी होगी अगर उनसे जुड़ना है तो। ये मिनी कॉमिक्स हमारे एज इन 80s और 90s के ज़माने में भी आया करती थी, बट उस टाइम की कॉमिक्स के थीम्स भी डिफरेंट होती थी। भूत प्रेत, उस टाइम का जो भी मतलब कंटेम्प्रेरी इन्वायरमेंट था। आजकल देखिए, नए ज़माने के नए बच्चों को मतलब लुभाने के लिए साइबर धमाका, इतने सारा IT साइबर इश्यूज वगैरह होते हैं। तो आई थिंक
इसके साथ साथ ये जो फेमस है, ये फेमस एक सीन है, क्योंकि ओलंपिक्स आ रहा है अब अगले साल। तो इसमें कार्टूनिस्ट प्राण ने एक ये डिजाइन किया था, उन्हीं का ही हैंड ड्रॉन ये पोस्टर है।
अच्छा।
तो ये भी बॉक्स के साथ ही मिलेगा एक्सक्लूसिव।
ये 1982 के ओलंपिक्स के टाइम तो नहीं ड्रॉ किया हुआ था?
उसी टाइम का ये।
अच्छा, नाइस। नहीं, 1991 का।
1991
का। ओके।
अब इसके साथ साथ हमारे अलग अलग बॉक्स कलेक्टर सेट है, क्योंकि लोगों को चाहिए होता है कि पैक्स वो ले, सिंगल कॉमिक्स और डाइजेस्ट। आप सारे देखेंगे सिंगल टाइटल्स। और ये यहाँ पे अभी हमने सिर्फ इस कॉमिक कॉन में 62 टाइटल्स अभी हम लेके आए हैं नए।
now we are here at the stall of Bullseye Press. और मैं ज़्यादा बातचीत नहीं करूँगा. I'll hand it over to Ravi भाई. Ravi भाई, please take us through what all you have.
Hello, Dhavendra ji.
On offer for us.
Welcome to Delhi Comic Con.
Thank you.
Hello everyone. So स्पेशल जो है आज हमारे लिए यहाँ पर दिल्ली कॉमिक कॉन में है कि अल्पन आया हुआ है ऑल द वे फ्रॉम कोलकाता, द आर्टिस्ट, एंड दीप जॉय इज ऑल्सो हेयर. दीप जॉय. सो ये तो एक स्पेशल बात है कॉमिक कॉन की, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दे आर हेयर. और नया जो हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं वो है ऑलरेडी एक्चुअली गुवाहाटी कॉमिक कॉन में लॉन्च हो चुका है, बट दिल्ली के लिए यस, इट्स अ न्यू बुक, ड्रैकुला नॉर वर्जन. वी हैव 2 issues, 2 variants. It's a limited edition noir variant, and राज रहमान भी है. ये भी एक ब्रांड न्यू बुक है, लास्ट मंथ आया था, बट अभी इसको कॉमिक कॉन में, दिल्ली कॉमिक कॉन में फिर से रिलीज़ कर रहे हैं बिकॉज दीप जॉय इज़ हेयर. सो ये 2 नई बुक्स हैं. बाकी उसके अलावा तो और भी पुरानी बुक्स जो चल रही हैं वो है.
कुछ आप प्लान बताना चाहेंगे इस साल के लिए, हाउ दिस ईयर विल लुक लाइक?
हाँ, इस साल के प्लान, देखिए प्लान तो हर साल वही रहता है कि कोशिश रहती है कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा या कम से कम बुक्स निकालें अपने बजट के अकॉर्डिंग. बट हाँ, इस साल हम 3 से 4 बुक्स प्लान कर रहे हैं और 2 बड़ी बुक्स प्लान कर रहे हैं. एक तो नोआर वर्जन अश्विन कलबाने का जिसका टीजर हमने डाला था वो आएगा, और एक सरप्राइज बुक है जिसको हम नेक्स्ट 3 या 4 दिन में रिलीज़ करेंगे. आर्टिस्ट उसका दीप जॉय है, और राइटर के बारे में हम लोग रिवील करेंगे अपने सोशल मीडिया पे 3 से 4 दिन में. उसका कवर रेडी है, टाइटल वगैरह सब रेडी है, काम शुरू हो चुका है, तो उसके बारे में बहुत जल्दी बताएंगे.
कोई अगला क्रॉसओवर तो नहीं आ रहा आपकी तरफ से?
क्रॉसओवर नहीं है, इट्स अ न्यू बुक, इट्स अ कम्प्लीटली न्यू स्टोरी, न्यू कैरेक्टर, और वेट कीजिए, बस 3 से 4 दिन का हम लोग बताते हैं आपको.
अच्छा, एंड क्विकली इन नटशेल, मतलब हाउ हैज द एक्सपीरियंस बीन सो फार? अहमदाबाद कवर किया आपने, गुवाहाटी कवर किया, नाउ यू आर हियर.
अहमदाबाद नहीं हुआ इस साल, हैदराबाद हुआ.
सॉरी,
हैदराबाद वाज गुड. गुवाहाटी वाज ओके, नॉट ग्रेट बट ठीक था. पहली बार था, वी वर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि लोग आएंगे, बट ज़्यादा क्राउड नहीं था. मे बी लोकेशन का इशू था या आई डोंट नो, बट इट वाज ओके. But we are looking forward to the next cities. After this, we are going to Bangalore.
मेरे अटेम्प्ट था कॉमिक कॉन इवेंट का वहाँ पर गुवाहाटी.
Exactly. Maybe next year थोड़ा
Maybe next
better.
year it will
Let's
improve.
see, yeah. अभी इस साल क्योंकि बहुत सारे नई सिटीज़ में कर रहे हैं, कोची भी जा रहे हैं पहली बार, इंदौर जा रहे हैं, जयपुर जा रहे हैं. So we are going to इंदौर, जयपुर, कोची.
आप सभी जगह जाएंगे?
या बस सभी जगह तो नहीं, 1-2 सिटीज़ शायद हम नहीं जा पाएंगे. We haven't decided, but हाँ, कोची, जयपुर, इंदौर और बेंगलुरु और बाकी जो सिटीज़ हैं, मुंबई, कोलकाता, वहाँ तो होंगे ही हम लोग जी.
आपके आर्टिस्ट लोगों से चलते चलते एक बाइट.
बिल्कुल.
Alaban, any thoughts regarding this experience?
Yeah, just I am just excited to be here, a part of this. This is a new experience for me. I have experienced this in Kolkata, but Delhi is a much bigger event. Delhi Comic Con is a much bigger event. So just happy to be here, and I'm just soaking in everything that I'm experiencing here.
Hi Deep Joy, long
Hello.
time.
Yeah.
So I mean, I remember quite vividly. Last time जब आपसे मिला था, उसके बाद से you and Dracula have been, all over.
Yeah.
मतलब हर जगह जहाँ जाओ आपके ड्रैकुला के different iterations देखने को मिल रहे
जी
हैं.
हाँ.
Could you please show it what you are drawing here to our audience?
I'm working on a blank variant. This is a homage variant of Nick Dragona's Absolute Batman.
Lovely,
issue one.
lovely.
I'm going after that and creating Dracula. And along with Dracula, I'm doing Yagya also.
Yeah. Lovely. So, how has the experience been? And since you are from Arunachal,
Yeah.
so how did it feel like, when the Comic Con, this event property came to your hometown? वहाँ नहीं से गुवाहाटी में तो हुआ
At least
एटलीस्ट,
Guwahati.
नॉर्थ ईस्ट में आया.
Yeah.
कैसा लगा? How was that experience like?
To be honest, we were really excited. It didn't turn like we expected, but it was a good crowd. Nice. अच्छे लोग आए. कुछ लोग कॉमिक्स भी पढ़ते हैं. That was really
Right.
good. Yeah.
मतलब सही ऑडियंस का मिलना भी जरूरी है.
या तो एक्सपोजर थोड़ा कम है नॉर्थ ईस्ट में कॉमिक बुक का. मांगा वांगा के लिए तो लोग आते हैं, बट बिकॉज ऑफ कॉमिक कॉन कुछ लोग आए, नए कॉमिक से इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ, रूबरू हुआ, तो वो बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस.
तो सिंस यू वर देयर एंड तदम वाज आल्सो देयर, सो एक अगर लोकल कनेक्ट हो तो थोड़ा लोगों को अपील करता है.
Yeah.
सो डिड दैट आल्सो वर्क
In a way,
somewhat
yes.
in your favor?
In a way, yes, absolutely.
Okay. So anything you want to say to our audience?
Have fun, read more comic books, read a lot actually.
now we are standing in front of artist Harsha Mohan Chattoraj, and I think it's better if we let him do all the talking about his work and the projects in pipeline, if any. So please, over to Harsha.
Hi, nice to meet all of you. Hi, I'm Harsha Mohan Chattoraj. I'm a graphic novelist working and based in Kolkata. I've been working in this field for about 20 to 25 years. And I've worked for different publication houses like Amar Chitrakatha, for example, for one, for Penguin for another, and many other houses like Alpha Comics and different houses in America, in Switzerland, in the UK and Australia. Now here I'm at the Comic Con in Delhi for the umpteenth time. I was there when the Comic Con started about 13 years back, and last time I came to Delhi was in 2020. And that's when this particular book of mine, it's not here with me anymore. We launched another book of the time over here. And this year I am here with a few of my titles. You can check this out. This is the Kolkata Kaleidoscope, a graphic novel on Kolkata, my city, which was published about 10 years back. You have next to it Algebra Part 2, Book 1. There are 2 books of that, published very nicely by Alpha Comics. You have, and these are the ones which I have self-published. One is a book called MyCom, which is a compendium of short stories and comics and illustrations by me over the last 20 years for different publication houses. This is a 2-in-1, an anthology of 2 comics, a fiction one and a non-fiction one, and this is my sketchbook. Currently, quite a number of projects are in the process of being done. One would be Lovecraft in India, a graphic novel which gives a fictional story about H.P. Lovecraft and how he dropped by India back in the 1940s and did some interesting stuff. Then there are projects going on with Alpha Comics. Dr. Drake, book number 3 is going on. I hope the sound can be heard properly. And also Amar Chitrakatha. I've been working with them for the last 12 years. So currently we're working on 2 projects for them right now.
अभी हम खड़े हैं फैजल भाई के साथ और ये है गार्बेज बिन का बूथ और आज हमें फैजल भाई खुद बताएंगे कि उनके बूथ पर कॉमिक्स फैंस के लिए क्या कुछ नया है। फैजल भाई।
ओके, तो हमारे पास अभी है चाचा चौधरी और गुड्डू का हंगामा कॉमिक। इसको हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं आज और ये हिंदी और इंग्लिश में अवेलेबल है। इसके अलावा हमारे पास है गुड्डू की पिछली 7 कॉमिक जो अब तक पब्लिश हो चुकी हैं, तो ये आपको बॉक्स सेट के अंदर मिलेंगी। इसके अंदर आपको 7 कॉमिक का सेट मिलता है ये। इसके अलावा हमारे पास है प्यारी माँ, इसमें गुड्डू के और माँ के सारे गैग हैं, ये कंपाइलेशन है इसका। और गुड्डू और पापा के सारे गैग का कंपाइलेशन प्यारे पापा के अंदर है। ये आपको बॉक्स सेट में मिलता है, इस तरह के एक बॉक्स में आएगा ये। और ये कुछ पोस्टर्स हैं हमारे पास जो यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है।
फैजल भाई, एक ही क्वेश्चन है फिलहाल मेरे मन में
जी।
जब आपने ये जो फर्स्ट एवर क्रॉसओवर काम किया है,
जी।
इसमें छोटे से मैं सोचता था कि एज एन आर्टिस्ट मतलब आपको क्या परेशानी है कि एक ही पैनल में साबू जैसा विशालकाय कद का आदमी है और फिर चाचा चौधरी जो सामान्य कद काटी हैं उनको ड्रॉ करना, मतलब वो थोड़ा चैलेंजिंग नहीं रहता क्या?
चैलेंजिंग तो रहता है और ये काफ़ी मुश्किल टास्क है क्योंकि साबू को बड़ा दिखाना है, काफ़ी बड़ा है और चाचा चौधरी छोटी हाइट की हैं, तो मैनेज करना पड़ता है। और उसके लिए स्टडी की, प्राण सर जैसे बनाते थे उनके जो पैनल थे वो स्टडी किए, उनको देखा कि वो कैसे बना रहे हैं, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग फिर मैनेज किया ये चीज़।
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। आपसे एक मतलब इसी मसले पे थोड़ी सी विस्तृत बातचीत हमने करी है, उसको हम एक सेपरेटली मतलब पोस्ट करेंगे अपने कॉमिक्स लवर्स के लिए। फिलहाल थैंक्स फॉर गिविंग अस टाइम, थैंक यू। मैं यहाँ से गुजर रहा था और अगर तदम भाई का स्टॉल है तो बिना बातचीत करे तो जाना मुनासिब नहीं है। So hi Tadam.
Hello Dhiren.
Welcome again, and
Yes,
I think
thank
we are
you.
meeting here for the 4th time at the Comic Con event. Just 2-3 quick questions. Okay. So now that you have done a decent amount of work and you know the industry, fairly well. आपको क्या लगता है कि मतलब क्या कुछ इम्प्रूव हुआ है और क्या एक चीज़ या दो चीज़ ऐसी हैं जो इम्प्रूव होनी बाकी हैं?
Okay, I feel overall जो भी काम हुआ है it's a very positive thing. I feel overall community के लिए because there is a number of publishers now जो कि अलग अलग टाइप की कहानियाँ, अलग अलग टाइप के कंटेंट, अलग अलग genres पे comic book निकाल रहे हैं. So basically the overall number of comic books have increased, which is always a good thing. उसके साथ में obviously अगर नई किताबें बन रही हैं, different creators are being like you know like are entering the industry. अलग अलग राइटर्स आ रहे हैं, डिफरेंट आर्टिस्ट्स आ रहे हैं, कलरिस्ट आ रहे हैं, क्रिएटिव्स आ रहे हैं, तो विच इज़ ऑलवेज अ गुड थिंग दैट दे ब्रिंग न्यू वॉइसेस, न्यू आर्ट स्टाइल्स एंड न्यू स्टोरीज. आई मीन यू नो विच इज़ अ गुड थिंग, क्योंकि उससे कंपटीशन भी बढ़ता है एंड ऑल्सो पीपल आर लाइक यू नो ठीक है उनका अच्छा है तो विल ट्राई टू डू बेटर. सो आई फील दैट इज़ अ वेरी वेरी गुड थिंग. उसके अलावा आई फील मे बी यू नो जिसका मैं भी एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा अपराधी हूँ बोलूँगा कि delays, you know, delays in the production and delays in the release of books is I think one
टाइमलाइन थोड़ा सैक्रोसेंट होना चाहिए.
yes. तो पर I'm sure सब लोग अपने अपने उसके एंड से कोशिश कर रहे हैं उसके लिए and hopefully we'll do better as the you know time passes.
My next question is, you know, the very fact that you are from Northeast और आप अरुणाचल से आते हैं. So as an artist, मतलब as an artist या otherwise also, in your growing up years, किसी ना किसी आप अरुणाचल जो उनका लोकल फोकलोर होगा, तो उनके कुछ कैरेक्टर से आप इंस्पायर्ड होते हैं. So चाहे वो अरुणाचल फोकलोर से हो या फिर मतलब ओवरऑल इंडिया में किसी भी और नैरेटिव या स्टोरी लाइन से हो, कोई एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर है जिसको आप बनाना चाहते हैं?
ओके ऐसे अरुणाचल में इतनी सारी अरुणाचल इज अ मिक्स ऑफ लाइक सो मेनी ट्राइब्स राइट. इवन आई डोंट नो ऑल देयर नेम्स बीइंग फ्रॉम अरुणाचल. तो और सबकी अपनी अपनी फोक टेल्स हैं, सबके अपने अपने स्टोरीज हैं. बट आई फील जो एक कॉमन बहुत सारे ट्राइब्स हैं जो कि मोस्ट कॉमन जो आइडिया है दैट इज ऑफ द अबोतानी बेसिकली. और उसमें कैसे पृथ्वी की शुरुआत हुई उस टाइप की कहानियाँ हैं. तो आई फील कि दैट इज़ अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट इफ़ यू लुक एट इट थ्रू द लेंस ऑफ एन अरुणाचली पर्सन. तो किसी दिन अगर मैं एक्चुअली आई एम वर्किंग ऑन समथिंग लाइक दैट. अभी बहुत ही नेसेंट स्टेज में है सो आई कांट रियली यू नो टेल मच अबाउट इट, बट उस दिशा में मैं कुछ काम कर रहा हूँ. एंड yeah, I feel that is the most interesting you know thing out of all the folk tales that I have heard from Arunachal. Apart from that मेरी एक creator owned book जिस पे मैं currently काम कर रहा हूँ, it's called Druk the Last Dragon. वो भी एक अरुणाचली background पे ही set है. It's being written by my very talented writer friend Bijoy Ravindran, and hopefully next year we'll be able to you know spill some more beans on that. Yeah.
Okay, lovely. और कुछ एक इंटरेस्टिंग या कुछ यू नो फन रॉन्डेवू या इंटरेक्शन आपका जो करंट 3 कॉमिक कॉन्स हो चुके हैं, हैदराबाद, गुवाहाटी एंड नाउ दिल्ली, कुछ ऐसा कोई इंटरेस्टिंग कुछ एपिसोड वाकया हुआ है?
इंटरेस्टिंग एपिसोड. ओके मैं हैदराबाद नहीं गया इस बार, मैं गुवाहाटी गया हूँ एंड यहाँ पर. सो इंटरेस्टिंग वाकया तो मतलब सबसे कॉमन क्वेश्चन जो मुझे आता है दैट इज़ क्या आपने ये हाथ से बनाया है. दैट इज़ आई मीन इट्स नॉट इंटरेस्टिंग एनी मोर. कल यहाँ पर बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग वो हुआ. आई मीन देयर वाज दिस लेडी दैट केम and she saw me and then she sounded करके बहुत जोर से चिल्लाई वो. and I was like okay ये क्या हुआ. and then she was like no like this and then she went and then she stopped there right वहाँ पर and then she said oh yes like that. तो फिर मैंने पूछा क्या हुआ क्या है. तो she was like नहीं I have read about you in a newspaper या कहीं पे online portal में and then I did not expect you to be there. पहली नज़र में मुझे लगा कि you are that person. फिर मैंने दोबारा देखा तो मुझे लगा कि नहीं हो. फिर उसके बाद I was going then I realized again कि yes you are.
But did she recognize you correctly?
हाँ.
कई बार वो भी होता ना कि जावेद अख्तर को मतलब कुछ और समझ के कर लिया.
वो एक बार वो गुलजार साहब
वाला सीन हुआ था, वही वाला.
नहीं I was the person she was thinking she thought I was. So
okay.
So that was
finally to end this part. I mean which all मतलब पिछले 1 साल के दौरान जब हम लास्ट में लेते क्या कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ आप कर रहे हो या कुछ नए प्रोजेक्ट्स क्या जिन पे आप काम कर रहे हो, अगर कुछ बताना चाहते हो तो?
एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और अलग प्रोजेक्ट जो मैंने किया है दैट इज द हायरोफांट एंटरटेनमेंट जो है सौम्या दास जी का, उनके जो लेजेंड ऑफ द रामायण वाले टॉय लाइन है, जो टॉय बॉक्सेस में जो पैकेजिंग आर्ट जाता है, दैट आई गॉट द चांस टू डू दैट. तो आई फील दैट वाज अ प्रिविलेज, क्योंकि एक तो पहली बार किसी टॉय इतने अच्छी क्वालिटी के टॉयज बॉक्सेस पे मेरा काम जा रहा है, एंड इवन दैट वर्क आई फील हैज़ लाइक कम आउट रियली वेल. एंड उसके अलावा लाइक आई वाज ड्राइंग यू नो कैरेक्टर्स फ्रॉम द रामायणा, राइट, एंड रामायणा से काम कर रहा हूँ, उसमें हनुमान जी को ड्रॉ करने का मौका मिला मुझे, श्री राम को ड्रॉ करने का मौका मिला. एंड एज अ किड यू नो आई यूज्ड टू कॉस्प्ले, माय फर्स्ट कॉस्प्ले वाज एज हनुमान जी, यू नो. मैं बचपन में वो रबर वाली गदा खरीद कर और वो एक नकली सी पूंछ बना के मैं ऐसे करके हनुमान जी बनता था और सबको गधा से मारता था आसपास. तो आई मीन टू गेट टू ड्रॉ हिम लाइक दैट वाज यू नो ट्रूली अ प्रिविलेज. सो या वो इंटरेस्टिंग हुआ. उसके अलावा आई have been working on the Royal Enfield wala comic book project, you know, wo, and then you know other things. So yeah, but the toy thing was the highlight, I think.
Okay, lovely. So wish you all the best for all your future work.
Thank you, Dhiren bhai.
Thanks for your time.
Yeah.
See you
Thank
around. Hi guys, so we are here at Rajesh sir's booth, and we are going to ask him just one quick piece of advice that he has for all the new young artists. What would be that, sir?
Just read stories and get inspired, make artwork. Without stories, there are no artworks. Yeah, that's what I would
And
like
this is
to
what
say.
you have believed all your life.
It is not just belief, that is what I practiced.
Okay.
And that's how like I could make all these artworks. So then, if you read stories, you can make original artworks. If you get inspired by other artworks, you just make another artwork, not just you cannot tell a story.
Yeah.
So the purpose of each illustration or artwork, like whatever you call it, we should convey something, we should tell some story.
Okay.
That's what I try, and that's what I advise as well.
So just clarify one thing. Is it is it the artwork that inspires stories, or is it like the other way around?
Vice versa.
Vice versa.
Vice versa. It happens both ways.
Stories inspire artwork.
Yes.
Okay.
Stories inspire artwork. Sometimes artwork inspires stories.
Okay.
See, by looking at that, see, if I say that Shivaji's artwork, that is original artwork. How I could develop that? There is a mantra called Vyomakeshaya Namaha, and there is another mantra called Aruna Jeteshwaraya Namaha. So based on that artwork, I try to understand what is the meaning of it, and then I've drawn it. And if you see the other one, that is called Chandrasekharaya, like how Shivaji could relieve moon from that curse given by his uncle. So there is a story behind every artwork.
Lovely, sir.
Yeah.
Lovely. Thank you so much for your piece of advice.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Savio and welcome to my booth. What I have special for the Comic Con in Delhi is the latest release, that's a Bhagavad Gita. It's a complete 128 very colorful artworks and story, which is way different from what we have ever done before with the Gita. And what's new again is celebrating 45 years of Tinkle. So this is again a very anniversary special loaded with all the characters that our fans would look forward to. And besides that, of course, Supandi and Shambhu are bobbleheads now. So we have the Supandi Shambhu bobbleheads, which are again like the new things that we are offering for our fans. Along with that, of course, I do have my artworks. These are Shambhu artworks which I put up for the Comic Cons special, and some posters and covers that we have done.
Hi, I am Ayush from Raj Comics by Manoj Gupta, and we have a lot of new exciting releases. So first, the most important release that we have is Nagraj the Origin Saga. So why it's special is because for the first time in the history of Raj Comics, and maybe in the history of entire Indian comics, first time we are bringing a comic and adapted it to the novel format. So this is the novelization of the first 3 comics of Nagraj. And it was kind of an experiment for us and we were not sure if this is something to be continued later. But here in the fair, the response is really immense. So this is the first release that we have. Then there is also something very interesting. So everyone knows about Sampoorna Nagayan. It is one of the most famous or the best-selling Raj comic series ever. This is the latest cover for that we have launched at the fair. And the wonderful part is that if you'll come inside, I'll show Mr. Anupam Sinha here is giving a sketch to everyone who is buying this comic. You can just have a glimpse. It would be wonderful to see how these things are done. So as usual, we have everything over here. We have collector's editions, vintage comics,
boys and girls, हम Kinder Joy team से आपको invitation
and jigsaw puzzles. So there are a lot of novelties. There are fridge magnets, stickers, but this is someone which is the most sought after. We have launched around 40 new titles of jigsaw puzzles here at the fair. And the final new release.
Kinder Joy Experiment Center. Thank you.
It's Sampoorna Lok Yatra. So this is the largest series of Raj comics ever, and it is the combined collector's edition of 37 comics. Just look at the scope and size of this volume, and it's sure to keep everyone entertained. So I cannot say that that's all we have because we have so much here, and we welcome everyone to visit us.
Hello, so this is Vivek Goyal, giving you all a heartfelt welcome to the annual Delhi Comic Con and to the Holy Cow booth. इस साल हमने हमारा बेस्ट सेलर रावणायण का हार्ड कवर निकाला है. So this is a 276 page comprehensive art cover with an extensive cover gallery. अगर आपको मौका मिले तो इसे ज़रूर ट्राई करें. ये ऑनलाइन भी अवेलेबल है.
हाय, मैं विवेक गोयल की मम्मी, मैं होली का पब्लिशर. मेरी आप लोगों से खाली एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप लोग हमारी होलिका की कॉमिक्स ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पढ़ें. धन्यवाद.
Good morning everyone, my name is Arnav and welcome to Vrinkavi. Let's take a look at our books. First we have Parshuram Blood and Dharma. This is the first volume in the Parshuram series. And releasing at Comic Con, we have Parshuram Blessing of Sahasra. This is the second volume in the Parshuram series. Then we have Ramayana Aram Kand. It's a prologue to the actual story of the Ramayana. We have made a book specifically for children, Adventures of the Elephant God. And of course, the box set, 10-part comic series based on the stories of Vikram and Vedant.
Welcome to the Buckermax booth. So I'm Sumit and we are a comics and animation studio. And these are our graphic novels. ये है Itch You Can't Scratch. It was my first graphic novel. It was launched in 2011 Comic Con. This is Kashmir Ki Kahani. It's a history of the Kashmir conflict, told using Simpsons-like humor. This is Karejwa, which is by Varun Grover and Ankit Kapoor. ये graphic novel Gulab Jamun के बारे में. अब figure that out. And this is called Amar Badi Tomar Badi Naxal Badi. It's a graphic novel on the Naxal conflict. So this is it. And come visit our stall. Bye bye.
Hi, I'm Amrit Pal Singh. Welcome to Comic Con. This is my booth, and this year we have these enamel pins called the toy pins. These are brass hand painted pins, and we have a blind box for this. We are also doing sticker packs of all my toy faces and postcards, and we have live calligraphy at the booth.
Hi, this is Dev, and I am representing Graphically at this point by Prasad Bhatt, and we basically make these hand-drawn creatures, caricatures, and these all caricatures are printed on a sunboard and then laminated. These are one of the best pieces that you can hang on your wall also. They can also place on your work desk as well. And if you're a pop culture fan, you have to visit this stall. And you got everything, you know, from the Hollywood movies to Bollywood to the 90s pop culture dramas we got up in there. We get the famous, the best of the best pieces of all the musicians. Then we are also having, all the best pieces in the South Indian cinema as well. These are all the famous South heroes. Then we have the whole RCB team, the one IPL team who has won the trophy in last 15 years, and then we got the Indian cricket team as well. This is all that we are having, all the footballers we are having, and see you at Comic Con. Thank you so much.
Now we have come to the section where we talk to cosplayers, or basically we are just having a fun time, trying to have some funny conversation with them. So right now we have two Spideys with me. So let's get cracking. Spidey number one, the blacky one.
Spider Noir actually.
Yeah, okay.
So my name is Spider-Man Cowboy.
Okay, fine. So first question would be, how difficult is it to put together, to stitch together this costume?
Oh well. See, there's two kinds of cosplay. There's gathering and then there's making. Mine's primarily gathered. I really just got this outfit together.
Okay.
Cut some gloves. This is a really old jacket and I put it together.
Okay.
Otherwise, a 20 rupee gun from Blinkit, an old Rubik's Cube and a Spider-Man mask really puts it all together.
Job is done.
It took me like 4 hours.
Okay. So you tell me, no, that was a separate question. You tell me, which part is more difficult? Is it like posing as a superhero or walking or dealing with fans?
Posing as a superhero. Can you try to pose as Spider-Man wearing this? I can't even bend down.
Try doing it, huh? We'll pay for the stitching.
It's the gun holsters. It's the gun holsters. They hold me back.
Just an inadequate Spider-Man.
Just shut your mouth, Spider-Man. I will shoot you in the face.
You are a cowboy Spider-Man. You're primitive.
Quite a mayhem, huh?
But he's already dead to be.
Okay, one final question to both of you. What do you do otherwise?
I am a 17-year-old who's in 11th.
11th, okay.
Yeah.
I'm also 17-year-old, but I'm in 12th.
Okay, so is he certainly passing some message?
I was homeschooled.
No, he failed the class.
I did not fail. I was
No,
homeschooled.
don't worry. Don't
He's
worry.
lying. Okay.
Third class is very tough.
Hey, I was
Okay.
homeschooled.
Okay, fine. I'll just move away from this scene, and you guys can settle the score amongst yourselves.
Oh yeah, come here.
Peter, just go after him.
My name is Shreya Karmokan and the character is Varang from Avatar 3, which is till now not released. It's released on 19 December.
So where did you get the reference image from? Net?
Yeah, obviously from net. It's not Taylor. From the Taylor, I got the character, and I like this character very much. So it's a negative character. So it suits on me. So I choose this one.
Okay, so you relate to the character.
Yes.
How difficult was it for you to put the entire costume together?
No, I have already all this in my room, so I make from that part only. This is clothes only, and I have everything in my room, so I made it.
How long did it take?
3 days.
3 days. Okay. And what was the difficult? Talking of the difficult part, which was most difficult of all? Getting the costume ready, or playing the character, or dealing with fans?
The body paint.
The body paint.
In winter.
In winter, okay. And is this your first time?
No. I did lots of times.
Hi. So what's your name?
My name is Alpriya.
Alpriya.
Yes.
And pardon my ignorance, but could you please tell our audience what you are dressed as?
Yes, definitely. I am dressed as Foxy from Five Nights at Freddy's.
Okay, fine. So my first question is, how difficult is it? Was it for you to put the costume together?
Well, this is my first time cosplaying, so I tried to do as much as I could in budget. So I used cardboard to make my ears, and I used cardboard to make the hook, and I used a bottle cap, not cap, but like ऊपर का हिस्सा.
The upper half of the bottle.
Yes, to make this, and I just connected it all together with glue, hot glue, and some wire, and that's all it took.
So you kept your budget in mind.
Yes.
And
also, I made these earrings to match the characters. The character has teeth very like golden and silver teeth, so I added golden teeth over here with some blood splatters. Same over here, it also has blood splatters on it because they go around killing people. That's why. But
okay, fine. My next question. I mean, people usually play characters who they feel closest to.
Mhm.
So, what resemblance do you see in this character? I mean, if you relate to the character?
Well-
and in what way? If yes.
Well, it's not really more about me relating to the character. It's actually about the game. Since I was a child, I used to watch YouTube gameplay videos, and Five Nights at Freddy's was one of the gameplay videos that I used to watch a lot from different YouTubers. So that's why I tried to do this today.
Okay. And what do you do otherwise?
Otherwise, I am a student. I am in second year Fine Arts in College of Art, Rajahori Garden.
Okay, lovely. So one last question. What is the most difficult part of this entire cosplay thing? Is it like, thinking of a character and then putting the costume together, or, trying to emulate the walk and the way they talk, or, dealing with the fans?
First of all, cosplaying isn't like something very, very serious that people should take. Obviously, I mean, you should, but you shouldn't overthinking. It's mostly to have fun, with the character you're playing, to design the character you're playing. It's just to have fun. So don't think too much about it. It will always be fun if you really just don't think too much about it. And if you want to play a character, yes, definitely try to understand the character and its movements, and yeah, basically that's it.
So what's your name?
I'm Shubham Goyal.
Okay. Shubham, could you please tell our audience what character are you playing?
I'm cosplaying Tengen Uzui from Demon Slayer.
Okay, great. So, do you relate to the character, or is it your favorite character? Why did you choose this character?
Actually, I wanted to do something different from the audience, which should be flamboyant, and I kind of relate to the character because it is very energetic, and yeah, it has a great body which I look up to. So yeah.
Okay, fine. So how difficult was it for you to put this entire costume together?
Actually, it took me a month or so to build these katanas basically. Otherwise, the dress which I'm wearing, I just bought it. So yeah.
Okay. And what is most difficult? I mean, becoming this character or playing this character with your motions and your gestures and all, or dealing with the fans?
I would say preparing the props basically, the headband and these katanas. It did take my time. So.
Okay, get it. Okay, so one final question. What do you do otherwise?
Actually, I'm doing my MBA, so yeah, I'm a student right now.
You're a student?
Yeah.
You're a student. Okay, fine. And how should I put it? How has it been in the past couple of days for you?
Actually, it's my first day here only. I've been cosplaying for 3 years.
Okay.
So yeah, every year I think of something different. So yeah.
Okay.
So
how bright your chances are? I mean, what is your guess?
I guess I would rate myself 7 around out of 10. Let's see. Otherwise, let's see.
Let's see. Wish you all the best.
Sure. Thank you.
Thanks for your time. So, you can very well see for yourself the two characters I'm standing with. I would just pop up the questions. How difficult was it for you to, you know, put this costume together?
It was really difficult. I'm working it from like 2-3 months. Yeah.
Okay. What about you?
Yeah, it is very difficult. All the stitching I've done. Actually, it is done by my sister. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, she did all the stitching. I did all the design and cutting and all.
So you briefed her, or
Yeah.
where did she take the reference from?
Yeah.
Where did she take the reference from?
Yeah, I just draw it myself and instructed her.
Okay. Fine. So what do you do otherwise?
I am a video editor.
You are a video editor.
Yes.
And you?
Yeah, I'm a storyboard artist.
Great. Okay. And this question is to both of you. I mean, how difficult it is to you know, portray these characters? Is the preparation bit more challenging, or once you are the character, you know, conducting yourself before fans, is that difficult?
This is the fun part. Yeah.
Preparation bit is.
Preparation was difficult, but this is the fun part. This is what we worked hard for.
So now you are, you know, basking in the glory.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine. And what about your experience? Is it your first time here?
No, I have been here many times. Last time I was Punisher from Marvel, and this time I thought DC is on the boom, so Superman.
He does cosplays so many times that he forgot what he was last time out. What about you?
Yeah, this is my first time cosplaying.
Okay.
Yeah.
So next time be Superman, huh?
I should, मतलब ऐसी body होगी तो.
So you have a year with you.
Yeah. I have to prepare for that.
Okay, great. So any thoughts, anything you want to say to our you know, fans, or the, you know, like-minded comics fans who are watching this?
आप जिसको भी आना है प्लीज़ आओ, बहुत एंजॉयमेंट होता है यहाँ पे, मज़ा आता है. आप लोग जो भी कैरेक्टर आपको पसंद होगा बन के आ सकते हो, या यहाँ पे आप उन लोगों से मिल सकते हो. Like they are real here.
Same, it's a very nice experience कि आप कुछ और बन के एंजॉय कर सकते हो.
तो दोस्तों, आप एक नज़र जरा अपने इस तरफ घुमाइए और इन दो कैरेक्टर से मिलिए. मीट सरदार बाजी, क्या स्पाइडर बाजी. सो काफ़ी अच्छे लग रहे हैं दोनों दिखने में. तो इनसे क्विकली जानते हैं कि उन्होंने क्या कुछ किया, मतलब क्या कुछ प्रिपरेशन करी है ये कॉस्ट्यूम्स को मतलब सिलने में, बनाने में.
ये कॉस्ट्यूम्स हमने एक्चुअली बहुत मुश्किल से प्रोक्योर करे हैं, ठीक है, और फिर डिज़ाइन करें हम दोनों के लिए स्पेसिफिकली. कुछ थाईलैंड से आए हैं पार्ट्स, कुछ पार्ट यूएस से आए हैं जो हमने मंगाए हैं.
जैसे ये मास्क जो है हमारा.
अच्छा, ये आइस पूरी बंद हो जाती है?
आइस पूरी विंक करती है. तो इसको डिज़ाइन करने में काफ़ी टाइम लगा. फिर ये वेब शूटर जो है इसको प्रोक्योर करना पड़ा.
ओके.
Sorry.
Nice.
So all this was it took a while to prepare, but अभी जाके when you feel and like physically काफ़ी ज़्यादा
अच्छा लग रहा है. नहीं, आप लोग काफ़ी हद तक कैरेक्टर्स लग रहे हो.
मैं थोड़ा I'm 35, मेरे लिए मेंटेन करना बहुत मुश्किल है, right? But my kids love it. I have 2 kids. They just love it when I do something like this.
I mean, with all due respect to all the other Sardarjis, you are the fittest Sardarji I have seen in a long time.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So, is it your first time here?
It's our first time here.
Okay.
So I usually do cosplays and stuff. So not my first
यार
time.
first time में इतनी preparation के साथ आते हो, कमाल करते हो.
Yeah, we like to win wherever we go.
Okay. So how has the record been so far? 100%.
100% winning in life, man.
So वैसे मतलब अब तो it's a dead giveaway कि मतलब preparation part ही थोड़ा difficult होता होगा. बाकी I think once you are in the character and you are roaming around, तो ये तो you are just basking in the glory. अच्छा लगता है.
Right.
It's just, you know, no, this is just interesting. Right? Our jobs we do, you know, our roles we play in our daily lives. We are Peter Parkers, Miles Morales, but this is interesting.
So what sort of, you know, any funny conversation with any fans you remember?
Recently.
Yeah.
So we were coming from the metro station and there was this one guy. He came to me, he was like, "Aap Spider-Man ho?" And I was like,
Peter Parker भी है.
and I was like, "Yes, man, I'm just a white Miles Morales."
Quite funny. But when you use public transport, I thought you come, keeping all your stuff stuffed in a bag and then come here and then prepare for the character.
So we thought of coming by our car, but then we thought it'd be fun in the metro.
Okay.
And we intended it to be like this. So we showed parts of it so that people come and ask. And I think on the way to here, we would have invited at least 10-15 people to Comic Con.
Yeah, they were like, if you're going to Comic Con is happening in Delhi. And they just joined us. They were like, come on, हम भी चलेंगे आपके साथ.
नहीं बाकी लोग जो पॉप कल्चर से जुड़े बाकी चीज़ें हैं उनको भी मैं पूरा रिस्पेक्ट देता हूँ बट आई थिंक आज की डेट में अगर ट्रू सेंस में ये थोड़ा फीलिंग फैलानी हो ना एक जो मतलब कॉस्प्ले के थ्रू ही हो सकता है एंड आई थिंक यू गाइस आर डूइंग इट टू द परफेक्शन
I just want to be myself, man. I think I'm a minority. Sardar ji log kam superhero mein dikhe hain, right? So just be doing my part, right? In a multiverse somewhere there's a Sardar ji Spider-Man.
No. I mean, there was one superhero played by a character, Sardar character by Tiger Shroff. I think वो बड़ा मतलब टेरिबल हिसाब किताब था उसके बाद आपने सिचुएशन सैल्वेज कर दी है
Thank you so much. Appreciate that.
No, so all the best for the final competition and I wish you guys get to win. I mean, साथ में मिलता है क्या जॉइंट विनर भी होते हैं क्या?
I hope group participate कर रहे हैं.
बोल देना हम कंजॉइंट टीम्स हैं Thank you guys, thank you.
Pleasure.
Thank you. What's your name?
Deadpool, obviously.
No, real name.
Okay, so my real name is
Okay, fine.
Wade Wilson.
So what's your character then?
Oh, I'm a plague doctor and I'm giving 20% off on Corona, not the beer.
Okay, fine. So tell me how difficult was it for you guys to put this costume together?
It wasn't that difficult. I had to make this belt and I had to make these holsters by myself and other stuff I just bought online. It doesn't matter. Some stuff I have did some editing on it, but it wasn't that much. It took me around 4 months and all. That's all.
What about you?
Paper mache, a little piece of cloth, and I bought a jacket. So yeah, 2 days.
Okay. So which part was most difficult? Dressing up as the character or playing it and dealing with the fans?
Actually, I would say none because everything is fine when you're Deadpool, to be honest. Everyone loves you. Everyone just goes smoothly at all. Anyone can be Deadpool. Okay. I saw Hatsune Miku. I'm happy. Everything is perfect. Absolute cinema, man.
Okay, so one last question. I mean, what do you do otherwise?
Otherwise, I can't really say that much, but I'm in government, I would say. So yeah.
Government service?
Yeah, government service.
That's fine.
I'm in a project team for oil and gas.
Okay, lovely. And is it your first time?
Actually, no. I was Deadpool last year as well, but this wasn't my real costume. It was from the scrap. And before that, I was Spider-Man as well. And I think this would be my 4th time coming to the Comic-Con.
Okay.
Same 4 years already.
4 years, okay. So just look into the camera and one final message from each one of you for the comics fans.
I would say just love Deadpool and do whatever you can. It's fine. Use sanitizer or I'm coming for you.
Your real names?
Manveer, Harjot.
Okay. And just for the audience sake, what characters are you playing? Just tell them.
I'm Trunks from Dragon Ball Z. And I'm Goku Black from Dragon Ball Z.
Okay, fine. So each one of my questions would be for both of you. So answer one by one. How difficult was it for you two guys to put your costumes together?
Mine was actually pretty easy. It's just I had to just buy the stuff, clothes, and it's not very difficult. For him, it has been. He can answer.
So he was answering because he did most of the work. So this is a normal fit, but this took a lot of hours to make. Like the Pepakura, we had to take out printouts, cutouts, and then to join them together to make a wig.
No, this does look like a very complicated thing.
Yeah, it was a fun process to make. He did most of the work, albeit, but yeah, it was fun.
So how has been the fan-based interaction for you guys?
It's nice. We have met a few people who are fans of Dragon Ball Z and they recognize their costumes. It probably feels good when people appreciate your costumes. So yeah, it's been nice.
Yeah, so for most people it's kind of nostalgia. People have been watching since they were young. So everyone's been taking pictures in school. I'm yet to see other Dragon Ball cosplayers, so I'm waiting for them. Last year there were a few, I'm just waiting. Yeah, it's fun.
Okay. And what do you guys do otherwise?
We are both software engineers.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
So you take your time out of your, daytime job to do all of this.
Yeah.
Lovely,
Weekends-
lovely.
weekends go into this.
Weekends, basically. Okay. So any last piece of message for the comic fans who are watching you?
This is fun. You should definitely try to come to Comic Con and cosplay if you can.
What character are you playing?
I am being Galgali, the violence fiend from Chainsaw Man. He's a new character, so not many people know about him, basically.
Well, now they will know. Through the video.
Definitely.
And what's your real name?
My name is Tejas. I am still in my final year of school right now, and I'm currently pursuing professional football as of right now, besides just cosplaying and being here for the experience.
Which one is your favorite, comic character?
Comic character? I would say Doctor Strange from the Marvel series.
Okay. So why did you go for this particular character? Because it was easier for you to make this, costume?
Yes, that's one of the reasons. I didn't have much time to begin with. I had less than a week to make this character, so I needed someone who it would be easy to make, as well as him being a very niche character. Not many people knowing about him, so that's why also one of the biggest reasons why I also wanted to cosplay him.
Any message from your side to the comic fans watching you?
From me, I would say you need to start cosplaying. It's really fun. It might be very hard to do at first, but trust me, it's one of the best things you'll ever experience in your entire life.
My name is Gargi and I am playing Mother Miranda from Resident Evil Village.
Okay, so what is the reason behind donning this avatar? Do you relate to the character?
Not really, but I like because she's a badass character. She created her own lab in a Romanian village and her character design is so beautiful. I really wanted to do it. I never thought I could do it because it was such a big cosplay. I never did it before, but I created this cosplay in like 3.5 months. There are like 10 wings over here and like an aura at the back and like a lot of M-seal, and yeah, that is how I created the cosplay.
So you did it all by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. And what do you do otherwise?
I'm a toy designer actually.
Lovely, lovely. So that expertise must have come in handy.
Sure, why not, yeah.
Okay. And is this your first time here?
No, this is my second time. My very first cosplay was in 2018 when I decided I will never stop cosplaying, and now I came back the second time and like with this character.
तो दोस्तों यही था दिल्ली कॉमिक कॉन का पूरा सफ़र। क्रिएटर्स, आर्टिस्ट, कॉस्प्लेयर्स, फैंस, जिनसे भी हम मिले उन सब की एनर्जी एक बात चीख चीख कर कहती है कि इंडियन कॉमिक्स ना सिर्फ जिंदा है, वो ग्रो कर रही हैं और उसका फ्यूचर ब्राइट नहीं सुपर चार्ज है। तो दोस्तों अगर आपको ये कवरेज पसंद आया हो तो चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक माइंडेड लोगों तक हमारी बात पहुँचे, हमारा चैनल पहुँचे और एक कंटेंट उन तक सही तरीके से पहुँच पाए। मेरा नाम है धीरेन्द्र, आप देख रहे थे कॉमिक्स एनिमल और जल्दी मिलेंगे हम आपसे किसी और एडवेंचर में। गुड बाय फॉर नाउ।